Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a lot of work as we had to disassemble the entire brew boiler and then repair a leak coming out from the heating element gasket. Once we put it all back together, we did a tune-up, replacing the gasket of the group head, the shower screen of the group head, back flushing all the E61 group head as well, descaling the steam boiler from the hot water and the steamer one, and also descaling the brew boiler from the E61 head. So yeah, we did quite a lot of work on this one. We just recently flushed the entire system so it doesn't have any descale or anything like that, and now we're gonna be testing it out. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna do a shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, and as you can see, it's a little bit on the faster side, but we can still get a little bit of crema. I should have tampered a bit harder just to get that perfect flow coming out of the porta filter. I'm gonna stop it right here. There you go. And as you can see, 1.5 ounces, really good crema coming out of there, working perfectly fine. Yeah, you can see that I should have tampered just a tiny bit more to get that extra pressure. Now we're gonna have the water pump running and the group head running, and as you can see, gentle stream comes out of the group head. That's what you wanna see. Looking great, working excellent. Steamer with an excellent pressure as well coming out from the steamer one. No leaks coming out from there or anything like that. Working excellent. And now the hot water, as you can see, excellent stream coming out of the hot water one. Really hot, good pressure, working excellent. And now it's the machine refilling the boiler. So there you have it, ECM working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.